Annabella wants a hug. Oh, we're already starting off carrying you. Oh my goodness. Come on, Annabella.
Yeah. There's lots of people going on this trail today.
Okay. Well, good afternoon. We're here at Mantle Rock in Kentucky, and it's on the Trail of Tears. And according to the sign in 1830, it was the Indian Removal Act. So we are marching along a very historic trail today. Please come join us. Oh, it's nice and cool in here though.
But there's leaves in the way.
There's always leaves in the forest, darling.
Watch out for the roots.
Yeah, you gotta be careful where you put your feet, okay?
Don't worry, these are trail shoes.
All right.
Good thing we went hiking.
We love our trail shoes, don't we?
Yeah, they always come in handy.
They always
and luckily, these shoes can grip.
Easy, easy.
They're easy. Well, it's a walking chipstone. Now we have to walk on the sticks.
I left my walking stick in the car.
Oh no. Hopefully you don't need it. We went to the left. The road forks to the right. But this way, hopefully we will get to the Mantle Rock formations much sooner. More kid parkour. All right, kid, keep it going. Nice work. Let's hop on down, okay? Let's stick to the trail. I see some sumac. I see some poisonous stuff on the side of the trail, okay? What's going on here? Oh, and that's an old waypoint. Maybe somebody tried to drive down here.
This is a bobber.
Nice. What have we got?
And that.
Well, let's take a look at this map, honey. Wait. Okay, we're the red dot, I think. You are here. That's us. Mantle Rock Arch is coming up. I'm going to take a picture of that because that could come in handy. Look to the right, rocks are sticking up a bit. Ooh, and I almost tripped.
We're near it. That means we're near it. Parkour time. Come on, everyone. Let's do some parkour now.
Okay.
I know. We made it.
What you doing?
Oh, look at all the lichen on the rock.
Take a picture of me on it.
All right, look at me. Cutie pie. Yeah, you see what the lichen is? Do you know what lichen is? Touch the green fuzzy stuff.
Well, that's moss, but
Well.
the white stuff is lichen.
Yeah. So the stuff that's growing next to it, looks like funny flowers, huh?
Can I see
I've
the
seen this
picture of me?
growing on our trees.
Can I-
Yeah, I'll show you. Gonna hop on down? Ready, steady, go! Nice.
You did it.
All right, let's go around it. Let's see what else is here.
Let's go in it.
Well, let's follow the trail because I think it might show us more. The land goes down into a ravine back there from the look of things. So I don't know what's happening here.
Are we going in it?
See, what happens is we're at the top of a hill and the rocks are showing us that there is a little valley down in there, and the trail leads next to that's going to take it past
Can we go
us.
to the little valley?
I think that's where it's taking us. We're going to find out. This is all new to Mommy. And go slowly, please.
And this little valley now. We're far from where our cow is.
Oh, we're not that far. Like half a mile.
Ah.
Goes 2.5 miles, baby. We're just at the beginning.
Mile.
Yep.
2.5.
We'll see how far we go. Okay,
How did we
so
get to the end?
this is the interior, and it picks up down there where there's people running around.
Well,
It's a sandstone arch.
Mommy, the trail ended.
Oh, it's not ending. It's just stopping over there for a minute while we see the big rocks. Let's go check them out.
done.
Kid parkour. Okay.
No, we're going in. This is super exciting.
Aren't you glad you're not done with the trail just yet?
Yeah. We're
Ah, this
going
is where
in.
Mommy takes pictures.
It's about to end.
Do you hear the echo?
Yes.
Yes. The
It's
largest
awesome.
freestanding rock east of the Mississippi River.
This is cool.
So this was worth the drive.
Okay. What about you say while good?
All right, we're going to walk in here.
Well, can you say while good? Hello.
Hello?
Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
Hi, hi.
Hi.
Hi, hi.
Hello.
Echo.
Echo. Hello.
Oh, what a beautiful creek.
Let's go through the rocks and water. Okay.
Are you going to do it?
Oh, this is pretty with all the moss.
It's gorgeous.
We're going to be walking uphill all the way back.
Well, Annabella, come back this way.
What?
We're going to go inside here.
Wow, it's a huge arch.
It is. It is gigantic.
It's awesome.
Oh, wow, yeah.
This is cool. Whoa, it's time for lots of kid parkour. We're now one.
Wow, look at this. It's like a room.
Okay then, let's go all the way back to our car.
I'm going to take a few pictures of this, Annabella. You want to sit and have a snack? This is a good place for snack.
Oh, look at the big
Okay.
tree right in the middle of it.
Oh, it's pretty.
And the big tree could be where we sit.
All right, you go have a seat and get your snack out. I'm going to get my camera out. going on? Oh my goodness. You're so goofy right now.
It's on there.
Well, let's see what we see. Go slow.
One at a time on us.
Yeah, one at a time right here. Hmm.
No, be careful here.
Yep.
Hear a tiny rumble noise. Now.
We're going to cross the creek. Okay, Annabella, go slow. Yep. Let Mommy go in front. Here, let me go in front. You walk where I walk, okay? Oh, look at all these. You see the holes? It's limestone. This is what the inside of cave rocks looks like.
Well, the chicken must have pecked on the cave rock.
You think the chicken pecked on the cave rocks? I love it. Yeah. World from a 6-year-old's point of view. I love it. Get out of the plants. Push your hair out of your face. There you go. What do you think? Is the chicken around here anywhere? We'll go just a little bit further. We can't do any big rocks. Oh, like some hollowed out little animal loving crevices. Annabella, can you hold on, wait for me? This looks like a spot for critters. What do you think?
No chicken around.
No chicken. Okay, you want to hop on down?
Yeah, but I think the chicken might be going that way now.
Okay. Did the chicken climb up the rocks?
I think so.
You think so? Maybe it flew. Or is Mommy just talking nonsense? Pretty sure I'm talking nonsense.
Blue.
Oh, okay.
More steps.
Sandstone. Or literally
Mommy's
sand. No, we're not going up those. We're walking on the nice little trail that's before us.
But the chicken might be up there.
Maybe.
Let's find out. Because I want to see chickens up there.
This it feels like you're walking on the beach. Must be deposits from the rock get washed down.
There's actually
No trail clearing going on around here. And this is where our adventure stops. This is what I was afraid of.
wait.
Mama, well, not Mama, but
Well, I could make my way up there.
I can
you think
do
you
it.
could?
Yeah,
But I don't know what it'll be like further down.
I know.
I can do it.
Annabella,
No
wait.
idea.
We do have no idea. And I don't want to put you in a situation that you can't get out of. So obviously we're game for it, but it's your call.
I can go up. I don't know if I can come down.
And you don't have walking sticks to lean on, and I
Right.
can't really reach
It's
and
the
pull.
balance is the issue.
Well, next time maybe we'll try it and bring walking sticks.
We can try it.
I left my walking stick in the car.
Oh,
can
well.
do it.
I'm going to follow behind you guys. Grandma has decided we're going to go for it because we have discovered the trail probably levels out on a plateau.
What is this?
Grandma says it's
Well, let's keep on going.
really, really cool is what it is. Okie dokie, I'm coming too. Take that stick to Grandma. She can use it.
That's a good one. Thank you.
Okay, maybe that'll help. Huh. Oh, these plants are the coolest. All this baby micro growth. Oh, and pretty river. It is a narrow path though. But if my mom can do this with a bad knee, well then. So we're going to step back to have a lesson on what we do with our trash. Annabelle, you want to tell me what we do with our trash?
Put it in your pocket.
Good girl. I'll put it in my pocket. In my pocket it goes. Okay. If we brought it in, we bring it out. Just scraping rocks, huh? We got a long way to go still. We have at least 1.5 miles. Yeah, come on down, okay? I know it looks super fun. This is all nice and shady and like we're up in the hills. Okay, pick up your walking stick. Mom's gonna go in front, okay? Okay. You know, that pond was looking pretty refreshing. Oh, it's nice. Got some fishies and stuff in it. Ready?
That's liking. I used to do the same thing. Used to pull it off the rocks at my grandpa's house.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Let's go.
3 hours later.
Okay, we made it out alive.
And how
was a
long
little
did
rough.
it take us
It took us, 3.5 hours.
to go 2.5 miles?
I know, but we made it all the way around. We're at the car, and the little one is still walking. I carried her for a little bit there with my backpack, with my mom's water pack too. So that was lots of fun. But we're done. So, Mantle Rock complete. And next time, we'll take a very, very easy trail.
And to the animal sign one.
Oh, yes, this little one wants me to take her to Refuge Pond to go scootering right now. We'll see about that. Okay, that's it for Mantle Rock. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys on our next trip. Thanks. Bye.